Hello everyone, so this is book recommendation time, and I finished today an amazing book, one of the best that I ever read, really, because it takes you from those stages of your business and what exactly happening in every step of the way, and what do you need to do and how you can do it and actually implement it in your business. So I really love that you go in depth in every single step. If it's in the marketing process, if it's even in the other stages when you hire people, how to hire, who are you choosing, and what people you need to look on, and even in the early stages, what exactly you need to have a clear focus on, and what are you going to focus on. And this book is Ready, Fire, Aim. And basically that's what he's talking about, by Michael Masterson. By the way, he's talking about how you need to just ready, then fire, then aim. Because a lot of times we wait for something to happen, or we waited to be perfect and then release our product or service. And by that, it can go years and years go by and nothing happening. And then he goes, how can you actually focus and what to focus, and kind of building your own plan for your business with this book. So it's incredible because it's like a coach that takes you all the way from 0 to 10 million. And I just finished to read it. I'm so pumped up because it had so many great tools that you can implement starting from today. Even how to write your own script, what you need to put in there. So it's very nice, and I upgraded my script thanks to that. So it's amazing what actually action tools he give you on that specific book. If you already read it, I would love to hear about it. What are your thoughts? What are your takeaways from that book? And if you're going to read it, just comment below, hell yeah, that I know that you're going to put it on your list and you're going to read it. That way you committed to go and read it in your own time. And we'd love to know if you're going to do it. If so, let's go. Because that book can give you all the tools that you need to your business for the start and beyond. So have a great and productive day. Now, if you like this video and you want more recommendation on books, I would love to hear about it. So comment below. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss it. And that's my dog right here. I guess he's really excited to make that video as well. So have an amazing day, and I really appreciate you for being here and invest your time with me. Have a great one, and I will see you tomorrow. That was live on my group.